What's going on, folks? Yeah, just want to kind of run through everything real quick. I made a short list, so I kind of did a lot of stuff off screen, just in attempts to make these videos shorter. USD CAD, no, that's not the correct order. We always do USJPY first. Y'all know that. USD JPY. So I've got this play, and I've got another play for the short side. And it's just short in and out. I made this yellow line to kind of signify. Um, let me see if I can make it brighter. I don't think so. I think that's just how it's going to be. Here, there we go. This is my price target. I don't know why I use that. I just wanted to for this one. It represents the daily 50 MA and kind of falling right in there. I'm sorry, the 200 EMA. It's the 4 hour, not the 4 hour 50. What does it represent, Jordan? The weekly 50 EMA. So, yeah, it's just an area that's been respected. So that's going to be my price target on this one. That's how you use all the charts, all the time frames. Very, very important. Kind of preach that. Super important to have that figured out, because you want to make sure that your left hand is informing your right hand, so to speak. Okay, so jumping over to the other USD pair, USD CAD for this week that I'm watching, we identified key levels. This is why it's important to identify key levels, because you can actually play trades off of them. This is a new setup I've been messing with and learning from. And there's an entry here, another entry for the double top um, on the next day. So opportunities here. This is actually a tighter stop because we actually had it form. I wanted to wait, and this one's going to respect, since we're at the higher range of the pivot points for that day, and we're playing off of this key level. I had to go to the range of the channel just to be safe, and then this I can be a little bit tighter and use the pivots. So we actually have a 3.74 on that one. We're coming back up though. Probably get out. If I was watching this actively, you would want to get out down here after you saw these two reversal candles, obviously. Um, but I like to be conservative and kind of show you guys a real life example, um, and kind of give the benefit of the doubt of, missing the full length of the move, and we still end up making really good profits. So it doesn't really matter. Because it's about being right often more than it is about, so we'll say 5% on this, more than it is about, getting the full length of the trade. We try to get the full length of the trade, but our first job is to hit the target. It's kind of like hit the target, and then we'll worry about hitting the bullseye later. So, yeah, I'm going to close that out. This is hypothetical. I didn't see this in real time. So, just so you guys know on that one. And then I'll go through the rest of the pairs on following videos. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do NZD since there's only one of these. And I'm going to play off of this one to take this down, something that I'm interested in. I just think that the stars are aligning for this to go lower right now. We're coming off of that key level. This was the initial move that I really wanted. That moment you realize your analysis is working. So I've already got a position here live. This is going to be a second one. And the first play was right here. Okay, that's what happened here. Okay, so I was right with the movement, but I didn't have an entry. So there's not a second play here. This is me. Whenever I see that white line, that means that I picked a pivot area, and I was right. I almost picked it like perfectly. Kind of talked about this in a previous video. It didn't pull back enough for me to get in. So this is an entry for taking advantage of this move downwards. So the move down is, this is same price target pretty much. So it should be a big move. I'm kind of risking 1% on that, and just want you guys to see that. Okay, so I'll go through the rest of the pair soon on the next subsequent videos.